Hello, I'm recording. Hello. Subway Surf. Why is it this way? Peppa Pig is in the background. Sorry. Chai, no! Come on, you want to stay in here? Come on, let's play. Sorry. I'm just happy I can do this. That I can record on this. Yeah, it's Subway Surf. It's a Subway Surf. Subway Surf. Oh gosh, it's loud. Let me turn it down. Okay. Watchy, what do you want? What do you want? This is the character. Watchy. Jade, take care of Chitty. Okay. I am not really good at this. I don't know. Fine, I'll just use this. I don't even know what it means. You probably can't even hear me right now. I'm playing the surfs. Beep. 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 I love the magnet. We can get extra money. Beep, beep. Oh, it's wore off.
Is he standing?
No. Well, I think so. That's my, the one that was making the cheese sound is my little brother Wyatt. He's so cute. Yeah, I'm recording Subway Surfers.
Chichi, come here.
It's quite loud. Because my house is loud.
What?
It's my house! Yeah. What?
Help me get him up here.
Why? I'm playing the games.
No, help me.
Why does he need to go upstairs? Beep, beep, beep.
The password on my card is...
I don't know what it is, but I'm not telling you my password. Well, you already know it. Don't tell anybody, please.
It's...
Don't! Okay, thank you. Yeah, hers is what? Because you can't know. Yeah. I'm just playing the sub. I'm playing the games. Oh gosh, I almost died. See, I'm not that good. No! Oh gosh. And I'm playing. No! I died. Yeah, I have 11 keys. I don't want to use one though. I've used a lot. Roar! I smashed this building. Yeah. What the heck? Yeah, it says Jade on there because this was her old tablet. But yeah, because I have a tablet now. I have so much months. I wanted to save for yeah, I don't want the commercials. I was saving for this one. Come on. I was saving for this character. Number one, it kind of looks like me. Number two, Tasha. The name is Tasha. And that's my friend's name. And I can't get it right now. Yeah, I need a lot more for it. Boards. A free gift. What's the free gifts? Gift. There's a gift for this. I'm just kidding. I want to wear that. Look at all these. That's not Google. That's not. Yeah, we're in Hawaii here. I don't know what I'm doing. I got flip clip too. I can think. No, not yet. I can do another round. Beep. At first, it starts like really slow. I'm like, slowpoke. She's recording a video. What's your channel name? What's your channel name? Oh, I'll just say myself. What's your channel name? Is it just Jade Hall? Okay. I don't know why I'm not talking. I know it sucks for my first video on Mobizen, which I'm recording off. But still, it's really cool, and I'm happy I got it. Mobizen. Yeah, I'm recording Subway Surfers right now. I'm recording the surfs right now. What's your channel? Cause I want to tell the people to subscribe to you. I don't know why I'm not talking, but I'm an idiot. Beep, beep. Bananas 322. Just Hardened Bananas. That's. Oh, okay. I thought that was your name. Just Hardened Bananas. I'm so happy you got this, because on my iPod I couldn't get it. I tried it, but it was just stupid. Please log into like an Xbox 360. I think that's what it is. Mystery box! Pogo! Just Jade Hall. Please subscribe. Mine is just Becca Hall with orange avatar. It's so cool because I have like 3 or 4
Videos?
Yeah. And I have like 2 subscribers. Beep. Yeah, please subscribe to Just Jade. Yours has a green avatar. Yeah, that's my old one. Yeah, on my old channel. I made so many videos on that old channel. I made so many videos, but there's. I don't know. I made so many videos of those because I tried to delete the other ones because nobody liked me. Oh crap! Oh crap! They told me to put my feet in front of the camera. Because she hadn't like. Well, yeah. This is the end of the video. Hope you liked it for the subsurfs. Bye. See you never. See ya never.